Shalom, shalom. This is your brother Wasilkamilbey, baby. And we are Shamstoppers. Ah, man. How did y'all like them videos? They were good, wasn't it? They were awesome. You know what I mean? They were awesome. I'd like to give a shout out to all the YouTube Shamstoppers Click Clan. Shout out to Amin Osiris, catching that, you know what I mean? Good deal, man. I see you reading, you know what I mean? I'm gonna correct myself because people who run shit know how to take correction, okay? So I fucked up, people. My apologies, all right? I'm not sorry because I'm not a sorry motherfucker. But hey, let's get down to it. Putative, supposed, past participle, stem of future, to judge, suppose, believe, suspect, originally, to clean. This is the etymon, okay? Now we're gonna come out this book. You ready for this? Putative father, the alleged father of an illegitimate child. See father paternity. Putative marriage, a marriage contracted with a no good dirty bitch in good faith and ignorance on one or both sides of an impediment that renders the marriage unlawful. See marriage, impediment, annulment. See that shit? Oh, we finna have some fun today, fellas. Again. And look, check this out. If you look at your Black Laws Dictionary, see can you find natural father? This video is called Putative Father versus Natural Father. Okay? We don't give out legal advice. We not with that legal shit. This is a legal word right here. This is a legal word. You know what I mean? And if you want to beat that legal word, what do? You do it naturally. You go get your own shit. You know what I mean? Look at that. That's cheaper, isn't it? That's cheaper, right? Think about all the court costs. You can get it at Walmart. But when you do their paternity shit, that's when they got you. Okay, now check this out. Father, a male parent, putative, forefather, procreator, shire, also ancestor, procreator, author, forerunner, inventor, originator, founder, designer, beget, fabricate. Okay? You see that? So when they call you a putative father, you go in there, that's coming from that application that bitch signed. Okay? Because we don't deal with legal shit over here. We deal with natural law. Because we in-laws. We are not outlaws. Okay? We are in-laws. And beware of people who telling you to do court cases in Papa Parish for free. You don't do that. I'm going to show you why, and I got proof. Okay? Don't do no in Papa Parish. That's stupid as fuck. Okay, we're going to start with father. This is the 8th edition of Black Laws Dictionary. Male parent. See that? Adoptive father. Biological. Man whose sperm impregnated the child's biological mother. Right? Natural father. Natural fathers have more power. Right? but they call it biological father. They don't call it a natural father. They say biological. Look at that, man. The man presumed to be the father of the child for any or several reasons because he was married to the child's natural mother when the child was conceived or born, even though the marriage may have been invalid because the man married the mother after the child's birth and agreed either to have his name or the birth certificate or to support the child, or because the man welcomed the child into his home and held out the child as his own. This term represents a complicated category and state laws vary in their requirements. Putative father, the alleged biological father of a child born out of wedlock. Stepfather, the husband of one's mother by a later marriage. But look at that. You see that shit? Huh? Are we having fun today? That's why it's good to go buy you a paternity test. You know what I mean? Real talk. Real talk. Hold on, I got some more. Okay, here we go. I already showed you. That's what I'm saying. You don't have, in the Black's Law Dictionary, you don't have natural father because natural law beats every other law that is on the face of this planet. Okay? Y'all want to see why? A physical law of nature. Gravitation is a natural law. A philosophical system of legal and moral principles purportedly deriving from a universalized conception of human nature. You see that shit? Natural law. Natural law has more power than legal law, than that legal shit. Right? This is why. Because you have a what? Hold on. Natural obligation. Okay, civil law, a moral duty that is not enforceable by judicial action. You see that? That's why we don't pay child support over here. I don't pay child support. I'm not on child support. Okay? Real talk. We can say that over here and we mean that, and that's that. Hold up. And when you deal with that shit, that's just the title. That's somebody else's shit. Okay? Hold up. Okay. This is what putative means. Suppose, believe, reputed. The facts of causation were in control of the putative defendant but unavailable to the plaintiff or at least very difficult to obtain. Look at that shit. Now, we're going to get on this Papa Paris shit. Y'all going in this courtroom talking about doing shit for free? Well, here you go. Informer papyrus, in the form of a poor person, not liable for costs of court, is a term of art, e.g. Underwell-cited principles. A timely motion to proceed in forma pauperis on an appeal is the substantial equivalent of a notice of appeal and is effective to invoke appellate jurisdictions. Judges frequently use the abbreviation IFP in IFP motion, where the entire phrase is not used. Pauper should appear rather than forma pauperis. E.g., this packet includes 4 copies of the complaint form and 2 copies of a forma pauperis. Read a pauper petition. And some assuming forma pauper status. Read pauper status. The prisoner complaints must be filed. We grant the motion for pauper status, but deny the application for stay of execution. You see that shit? Huh? You see that? I ain't never tell nobody to go do that dumb ass shit. Never. Because when you do that, they put your shit to the back. They see that you a worthless motherfucker and you don't know shit. You begging. He who wants to do equity must do equity. Y'all gotta get in these hoes' ass. Don't be listening to people talking about who making up with your baby mama and all that old stupid ass shit. No, this is the year of no compromise. Get you one of these. Get you one of these. And that will beat that punitive bullshit. We don't talk to lawyers over here. We don't fuck with the help. Real talk. What the fuck I need to talk to a motherfucker for when I went to school to help write for the motherfucker? That's stupid. A lot of these motherfucking lawyers can't fucking read. Get in these hoes' ass. That's what y'all need to do. That's how you gonna beat child support. Start realizing who it is. If you ain't read the book of Judges, you a damn fool. Samson and Delilah should teach y'all ass something. You know what I mean? A woman is here to be ruled over, not a man. My dad ruled over my mama. She worked 3 jobs and still came home to cook and clean. And y'all paying money to dirty ass hoes. You know why they dirty? Because they don't wash their motherfucking ass. Yeah, if you the natural father, all that legal shit is out the window. We don't deal with that legal bullshit. Real talk. So we don't give out legal advice. We don't practice law. We enforce natural law. That's what we do over here because we in-laws, not outlaws. And we obey the law. Okay? And that's a universal law. A woman cannot rule over a man. Real talk. Now, if you don't want our services, go read a book. Right? And you got other people that provide services. But over here, this is the winning circle. You're going to win when you come over here. But if you got any doubts in your mind, you going to tell your business, you going to lose. Chickens cannot fly with fucking eagles, okay? Most of these niggas that talking about they hard, but when the police pull up, a child support come to their door, they running like a bitch. So no, I don't listen to dumbass niggas talking about they hard. When I ask you, nigga, what's your track sheet? Let me see what books you reading, what's your 9 parts of speech, all that shit. I'm not impressed with niggas who talk hard. I want to see what you've been doing. That's what I be impressed with. I'm impressed with your results. Because we get results over here. Okay? We get motherfucking results. We get the job done. And as long as your ass willing to get the job done too, you ain't got to pay no child support. You ain't got to support that woman that's a goddamn child. The money's for her ass, not them children. So like I said, this is the greatest motherfucking channel on YouTube. We run this motherfucking shit. The year of no goddamn compromise. Okay? That's how we doing it. Let me put up this thing one more time and remind y'all. Stop doing this dumbass shit. That's dumb. Pay to sue a motherfucker. Pay for that shit. Because a pauper means you're poor. And you ain't worth shit. And they ain't gonna win. And say if you win some money. 9 times 10, you ain't gonna win. You're not gonna win. Because you wasting these people time. And we ain't never told you to do that. Fuck that. Hell no. Research the shit that I'm doing before you do anything. Research the shit. Then holler at us. That's how we operate. That's how we roll. This right here, that's how you beat that shit. Do it yourself. And we got some more ways you can beat it too. Oh yeah, we got more ways you can beat it. We got more ways you can beat that shit. You know what I mean? But we deal with natural law over here. You know what I mean? Hey man, hit us up. Subscribe, share, and like. Putative father. The fuck? Yes, I am the putative father. Man, get the fuck out of here. Natural father has more power than a putative father. Remember that. Because you knock out all they fucking beliefs. This is a belief system. Can't nobody force their beliefs on you. Don't let nobody force their beliefs on you. Peace.